Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right at the system level. From home, go into System Settings now. This puts you where Bluetooth options live. Make sure the headset or controller you want disconnected is on or nearby so the console can see its status. Once you're in System Settings, scroll to the options we need. This avoids guessing. You'll act on Bluetooth audio and controller connections separately because the switch treats audio differently than controllers, so follow the next steps to disable each one. Now you handle audio specifically. Select Bluetooth audio in System Settings and open it. You'll see a toggle or an active device. Turn Bluetooth audio off to stop sending games sound to any headset. If a device is listed, choose Disconnect and then Clear Device List if you want to remove pairing entirely. Make sure to confirm prompts. This prevents the switch from reconnecting automatically. Once done, move on to controllers, because turning audio off does not sever wireless controller connections. Next, disable or disconnect controllers. Go to Controllers and Sensors, choose Disconnect Controllers, and follow the on-screen directions to unpair any Bluetooth accessories. If a controller won't disconnect, try pressing its sync button or remove the accessory from paired devices. After both audio and controllers are handled, reboot the switch to ensure settings stick. If you still see Bluetooth behavior, troubleshooting tip: power cycle the console and recreate settings. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.